Yeah, it's funky, but it actually works. Because, baby, this transformation takes a lot. Stick around and I'll show you every step. What's up, everybody? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Relentless Beauty. I am Danielle, your level up partner, and welcome to week 2 of my hair journey 2.0. Yes, we got the rice water on deck, but we're going to talk about that more later. First of all, let's get into this Prepoo. But I'm getting ahead of myself. First of all, let's talk about week 1 as a straight natural. As you can see, it greatly reduced my shedding, just like I knew it would. My hair tangles really easily when it's curly, and in its damaged state right now, I can't have that. This is why I love Prepoos, y'all. They just revive your hair. It just soaks up all of the conditioner while it's in its dry state, and it just really revives and helps moisturize your hair. By the way, let me know in the comments, do y'all dread wash day or do you secretly love it? Me personally, I've always dreaded it, but I'm trying to shift my mindset from this I have to do this to I get to do this, I'm able to do this. So y'all, this was a lazy wash day, which is why I'm shampooing my hair in the tub. I didn't feel like taking everything off of the counter to shampoo my hair in the sink. And what no one talks about, when you have a rain shower head, it's so easy for water to get into your ears. So I really don't like shampooing my hair in the shower. Hopefully there's continuity because I took down my little camera setup when I shampooed my hair. But anyway, this is my hair freshly washed and it's feeling really good. This is the hair that I lost in the process, not much. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. What I wanted to mention, I rinse my hair and I'm shampooing my hair in water that's on the cool side. I've been binge watching hair care, hair growth type videos, and I forgot that I used to seal my ends, and I forgot because I hate it. It's such a shock. I hate that cool water, but it does help. It does make a difference. It's doing a final rinse in cool water. That cool water helps close the cuticle, which helps seal in the moisture, helps make your hair shiny, less frizzy, and it's just good to do. So now I'm gonna do my rice water, but I'm gonna put it in this bottle, and there's a little bit of stuff left, so hopefully that'll be enough scent. Since this had like a minty scent to it, so I'm gonna follow up with a deep conditioner anyway, and then between my styling products, I'm hoping my hair doesn't smell like rice water. I don't remember rice water stinking. Maybe the way I made it in years past wasn't the right way, because I can definitely see it fermenting now, and I'm gonna show you it's bubbling, but I don't know. I don't remember it smelling bad. Let me show y'all the rice water. Yeah, you can see it's bubbling up, and you can see like it bubbling on the top. I don't know if you can see it that good. So it made a lot of rice water. I did do my research, and you can store this up to a few days, like up to 3 days. And I have so much, so I'm probably just going to use it this one time as a weekly treatment because I don't want to overdo anything. In the past, when I used rice water, I would just pour it over my head. I didn't do the spray bottle thing, so obviously it would just all be gone. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the leftovers. But what I did do is I put less water in the jar this time. Okay, it stinks. I can smell the little bit I left behind is helping, but no, this stinks. I don't think I was making rice water the right way. So now I'm really excited.
Oh, it smells like sour milk, like vomit.
So I just had a thought. Aren't there skin benefits to rice water? Because I'm finna use this on my face to help get rid of it. Because I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste the funk. Y'all, I will absolutely be wasting the funk. I don't want to put that stuff on my face. time, and I will see y'all in 15 to 20 minutes. What the fuck was that? So I don't know if y'all can tell the difference right here in the front of my head, but that rice water worked. When I tell you, it just made my hair feel so soft, and nourished is the word that comes to mind. So I'm really excited about seeing these results. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so we can see where will my hair be in 3 months. Is the hype the hype? So beauties, if you've made it this far, drop a water emoji in the chat to let me know that you survived wash day. So I like straightening my hair on my husband's side of the vanity, so that's why the camera angle has changed. So that is it, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.